Honorable Mr. Dr. Andres Budianto, MA, and all my dear friends, before I start my presentation on the 7th module, let me introduce myself. My name is Elvia Erlina from the Management Department, Faculty of Economics and Business, Universitas Persaing Indonesia, YAI. One, travel regulation. The following is one of the latest example of flight regulation for Java, Bali, and outside Java, Bali during the COVID-19 pandemic in 2021. Update October 29, 2021, based on the decree of the Ministry of Transportation number 93 of 2021, during the implementation of PPKM level 1 until 4, Java, Bali, and outside Java, Bali starting October 28, 2021, until a later determined time. Travelers from or to cities in Java and Bali, intra-Java, Bali, must attach a COVID-19 vaccination card or certificate of at least one dose of PCR test result whose samples are taken a maximum of 3 times 24 hours before the flight. Travelers from or to cities outside Java and Bali must attach a COVID-19 vaccination card or certificate of at least one dose as well as rapid antigen test result whose samples were taken a maximum of 1 time 24 hours before the flight of PCR test result whose samples were taken a maximum of 3 times 24 hours before the flight. Children under the age of 12 are allowed to board the plane accompanied by their parents or family as evidenced by a family card and fulfill the COVID-19 test requirement according to the rules of the departure and destination airports. The flight conditions on this page are updated based on the rules for traveling from to the destination according to the PPKM condition at the destination level 1, 2, 3, or 4. Regarding the circulation of information in various media that Peduli Lindungi is no longer to condition for flying or Peduli Lindung will be integrated in several applications starting October 2021. We will continue to monitor the development of condition and this page will be updated if there are updates. Please continue to monitor this page for the latest information. Make sure you have read and meet all the flight requirements to be allowed to fly. Also, find out the most frequently asked questions regarding flight condition and their answer on the page below. This page is constantly being updated and we will continue to monitor the development of condition and update this page if there are new regulations. Please continue to monitor this page for the latest information. Number 2, respect for cultural diversity and cultural rights. Universal Declaration on Cultural Diversity, adopted by General Conference of the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization at its 31st session on 2 November 2001. The General Conference commit to the full implementation of the Human Rights and Fundamental Freedoms proclaimed in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and other universally recognized legal instruments, such as a two international conventions of 1966 relating respectively to civil and political rights and to economic, social, and cultural rights. Recalling that the preamble to the Constitution of UNESCO affirms that the wide diffusion of culture and the education of humanity for justice and liberty and peace are indispensable to the dignity of man and constitute a sacred duty which all the nation must fulfill in a spirit of mutual assistance and concern. Further recalling Article 1 of the Constitution, which assigned to UNESCO among other purposes that of recommending such international agreements as may be necessary to promote the free flow of ideas to by word and image. Noting that culture is at the heart contemporary debates about identity, social cohesion, and the development of knowledge-based economy. Aspiring to gradual solidarity on the basis of recognition of cultural diversity, of awareness of the unity of humankind, and of the development of intercultural exchange, considering that the process of globalization facilitated by rapid development of new information and communication technologies, though presenting a challenge for cultural diversity, creates the condition for renewed dialogue among cultures and civilization. Proclaims the following principle and adopts the present declaration. A. Article 1. Cultural diversity, the common heritage of humanity. Culture takes diverse forms across time and space. This diversity is embodied in the uniqueness and popularity of the identities of the groups and societies making up humankind. As a source of exchange, innovation, and creativity, cultural diversity in as necessary for humankind as biodiversity is for nature. In this sense, it is the common heritage of humanity and should be recognized and affirmed for the benefit of present and future generation. B. Article 2. Building partnership between the public sector, in the private sector, and civil society. Market forces alone cannot guarantee and preservation and promotion of cultural diversity, which is the key sustainable human development from the perspective the preeminence of public policy in partnership with the private sector and civil society must be reaffirmed. C. Article 3. The role of UNESCO. UNESCO, by virtue of its mandate and function, has the responsibility to A. Promote the incorporation of the principles set out in the present declaration into the development strategies drawn up within the various intergovernmental bodies. B. Serve as a reference point and a forum where states, international governmental and non-governmental organizations, civil society, and the private sector may join together in the elaborating concept, objective, and policies in favor of cultural diversity. C. Pursue is its activities in standard setting, awareness raising, and capacity building in the areas related to the present declaration within its fields of competence. D. Facilitate the implementation of the action plan, the main lines of which are appended to the present declaration. 3. Respect for cultural diversity and cultural rights of each person. Individual rights and respect for all cultures. How can individual rights be reconciled while respecting the cultural sensibilities of different human groups? For the American anthropologist Melvin G. Herskovit, This is the main difficulty facing the formulation of a World Declaration of Human Rights. He elaborates on this dilemma in excerpt from the text entitled Statement of Human Rights, which they sent to UNESCO in 1947 in response to UNESCO survey on the philosophical foundation of human rights. The problem faced by Commission on Human Rights of the United Nations in preparing its declaration on the rights of man must be approached from two points of view. The first, in terms of which the declaration is ordinarily conceived, concern the respect for the personality of the individual as such, and his right to its fullest development as a member of his society. In a world order, however, respect for the cultures of differing human groups is equally important. These are two facets of the same problem, since it's a tourist that groups are composed of individuals and human beings do not function outside the societies of which they form a part. The problem is to formulate a statement of human rights that will do more than just express respect for the individual as an individual. It must also take to full account individual as a member of the social group of which he is a part, whose certain modes of life set is behavioral, and with whose fate his own is thus inextricably born. 4. Grammar discussion. 1. Bring, broke, bring. Meminjam. Example sentence, he broke some medicine to go on his journey. Number 2. Come, came, coming, datang. Example sentence, we come home earlier yesterday. 3. Drawing, menggambarkan. Example sentence, she drew a beautiful picture in class. 4. Eat, ate, eaten, eating, makan. Example sentence, where did you eat in dinner yesterday? 5. Find, found, finding, menemukan. Example sentence, I found this book on the table over there. 6. Go and gone, going, pergi. Example sentence is going to ride the bus to work today. 7. Leave, left, leaving, meninggalkan. Example sentence, she left in a hurry. 8. Putting, meletakkan. Example sentence, they put their books on the table. 9. Swim, swimming, berenang. Example sentence, in the summer we will swim in our pool. 10. Paid, paying, membayar. Example sentence, Janet is paid by the whole. Thank you. Maybe that's enough of my presentation. More or less, I'm sorry. Thank you for your attention. Stay healthy, all.